Open WA ToolKit app and share the URL to any nearby computer or phone. Here I am sending this to my another number. Now open the URL and wait for the press next message. When the message appears, you should press next on your WA ToolKit app and wait for the QR code. Now scan the QR code using your WhatsApp web. You can open WhatsApp web directly from your WA ToolKit app, or you can open it from WhatsApp. Here I am opening WhatsApp web using my WhatsApp. Now scan the QR code using WhatsApp web. Now just wait for 2 seconds and the WA ToolKit app will be redirected. Now here is a enable for online notification. Just enable the online notification, and the change contact button will give all the contacts on your phone, and from the contact list you can choose any one of your contact to track down. So here I am choosing one of my contact from the contact list. Okay, done. Now just wait for some seconds. It is based on your internet speed. Yeah, now you are purely connected to